In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone charger. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're trying to charge your iPhone and it's just not charging. Well, the easiest thing to go ahead and try and do is try a different USB-C wire. It could just be the wire that is like now faulty or anything like that. If that doesn't work, try and plug in your charger into a different wall to see if that works. And you can just try use a whole different charger altogether, because it might be like the actual brick that you're inserting the USB-C into that is like faulty and maybe it's not working anymore. The next thing you want to do is on your iPhone, go ahead and check if there's nothing blocking your charging port area. If there is anything inside, try and shake it out. And if it's still not out, then what you could do is use something really soft to try and like edge it out, like a little cotton bud or something. Just don't push too deep inwards, because it can damage the charging port. You also just want to make sure there's no liquid inside, because if there's any liquid, any water stuck there, let it air dry. Don't try and pat dry it yourself or anything, because that, like, literally whenever there's water or anything like that and it detects it, it's not going to charge your phone for safety reasons. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.